Yeah, we're going to look at how we can price our goat for profit. When we look at the goats we are trying to keep, the breeds, it is very easy to determine the goats. Last time when we were doing one of our video, we said that the breed determines the price. Now, in the breed, there are also different levels of this breed. There's what we call percentage bloodline. Now, when you have a local, you cross with this 100%, you get 50%. The only way to determine that is you just, as you continue, the percentage bloodline of the buck, you cross with the female, you divide by 2, that's when you're going to get the breed. And the bloodline which is out, that is what will determine your price. Because a goat of 50%, the price is different with the one of 100%. Because 100% may go 1 million, 1.5, 2.5, depending on also. Another factor is age, because a goat of 50% of 6 months is different from a goat of 8 months or 1 year. That's the difference. A lot of things you have to consider, especially when you're pricing. Then also female have their own price. So depending also on the percentage bloodline. And also some people will want, okay, I want the pregnant one, the price is also different. I also want this one of 50% or 80%, the price is different. So I just encourage that when you're going for this pricing, just know that's how they determine the price.
Please, I want to encourage you that whenever you watch any of our video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and make a comment below. And please share as much as you can so that we can reach more broader audience. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like the video once again. Thank you.